Today's recipe is a very simple, easy to prepare and healthy snack or laddu recipe. This is gond dates energy laddu with very few ingredients without using sugar or jaggery. Hi, welcome to Ambika Shetty's kitchen. So firstly, I have taken a pan. I've added 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Then I've added 1/4 cup of gond or edible gum. We need to roast it. While stirring continuously, we need to roast it until it puffs up properly. This might take around 3 to 4 minutes or even up to 5 minutes if you are roasting it on lowest flame. So once they puff up, we'll remove it from pan and we'll transfer it to a bowl. Let it get cooled completely. Meanwhile, we can dry roast the nuts. Here I have taken 1/3 cup of almonds, 1/3 cup of cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons of pistachio. If you want, you can also add pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds into this. I have kept it very simple and I'm using very few ingredients. We need to dry roast these nuts for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they become crisp. So this is also done. We'll transfer it to the same bowl. Let this get cooled completely because we need to grind it into a coarse powder. This is cooled completely. We'll transfer it to a grinding jar, and we are going to grind it into a coarse powder. We are not going to add too many ingredients while making this laddu. This is a very simple and we need very few ingredients to prepare this laddu. The powder is ready. We have transferred it to the same bowl. Here in the pan again I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee and I have added 1 cup of dates. This is a good quality soft dates. I have removed the seeds. This is de-seeded dates. We just need to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes in the ghee and then we'll again allow it to cool completely and then we'll grind it into a very fine and smooth paste so that it becomes easy to shape the laddus. As I said earlier, we are not going to use jaggery or sugar, so no need to make any jaggery syrup or sugar syrup. This dates paste is enough to prepare this energy laddu. So I have added the dates paste to the same bowl, and the last ingredient I'm going to use is 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We need to mix it well. Here my mother is demonstrating the recipe. It's a very easy and easy recipe and uses very few ingredients. However, you can add other dry nuts of your choice. You can add walnuts, you can add pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, and make variations in this recipe. So the laddus are ready. Please do try this recipe. I hope you have liked this recipe. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, you take care of yourself. Be happy. Stay healthy. Bye.